Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 15 EVS our body. So first of all we will see the hard words. Look here. First I given you tummy, chest, wrist, palm, thigh, knee, foot, torso, neck, abdomen, throat, hip joint, arm, fingers, shank, ankle, organ, elbow, wrist, machines, delicious. You have to learn this you have to by heart these words, okay? Hard words. Now let's start our body. So, can you tell what are these children doing? What are these children doing? Lesson number 15, page number 86. So, look here student. So, look here. One boy is playing with a football. Means what he do? He take one leg to kick that ball, and with the hand. One girl, what is doing with the hand? Is wearing a cap. Then one girl is showing a traffic signal with a left leg. Then one boy is saluting he is a policeman. What he do? He take a right hand and he salute it. So one girl is there. There is a nurse. What you do? He is carrying an injection by his hand. Then one conductor, what is doing? Is catching this thing. Then which part of their bodies are they using? What they use? They use some of them using the legs, some of them using their hands. Then can you tell? Point out the parts of the body named below. Forehead. Four means forehead. This is your forehead. Cheek. Then nose, ear, tummy, chest, arm, this is your arm, wrist, where you are wearing your watch, it is called a wrist, this is a palm, thigh, then again knee, and this is your foot. So I hope you all of them should know this: thigh, tummy, chest, wrist, palm, because we have studied this in your senior KG also. Then structure of the body. The head, torso, arms and legs are the main parts of the body. The head, arms and legs are joined to the torso. Torso means what? This is your part. We are joined here head, then again legs, hand and leg. We have joined. This is called a torso. So the head is covered with how the head is covered with? The head is covered with hair. All of them having the hair or not? Below the forehead are two eyes. Below the head what we are having? Two eyes with the eyebrow and eyelashes. On their sides are the ears. On the side what we have? Ears. In front is the nose. In front what we are having? Nose. Below the nose is the mouth. And below that the chin. Below that what we have is chin. So the part that joint is the head to the torso. The parts of the head with the torso. This is the torso. What we have joined here is the neck. So torso, the chest, abdomen and the back together make up the torso. Neck and the back. This is our neck and this is our back. So in your textbook there is given a picture. This is a neck and this is a back. So the chest, abdomen and the back together made up the torso. The part where the arm is joined to the torso is called the shoulder. This is a shoulder. Then the leg is joined to the torso. This is our torso, I told you. It is joined. What is the joint? The leg is joined is the torso to the hip joint. This is your hip joint, back side. We call it is a hip joint. So throat, chest, abdomen. This is a picture. Now look your arm. The arm has three parts: upper arm, forearm and hand. This is a picture of upper arm. So look here. This is the upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm, hand, and this is a fingers. This is a finger. This is a part of the arms. This is a part of the arms. And here also they are given the pictures here, parts of the legs. So this is your thigh. This is your thigh. This is your knee. Knee म्हणजे काय? गुडघा. Shank. नीच्या खाली ते पेंडी असते ती पायाची, त्याला काय म्हणतात? Shank. Then this is your ankle. This is your ankle. This is your toes, and this is your foot. This is the parts of the legs. The leg too has three parts: thigh, shank, and foot. Toes are the parts of the foot. Toes are the parts of the foot. The thigh and the shanks are joined at the knee. I just now show you. The thigh and the knee and the shank are joined at the knee. Are joined at the knee. This is the shank. या पायाचं आपण इथं खाली thigh and the shank. What we are joined under the knee. The shank and the foot. The shank and the foot are joined at the angle. Now see here, new terms. Organ. A parts of the body that used for a particular purpose. We use our legs for walking. For organs, for the other organs, what we use leg for walking. So legs are organs. We use our ear for hearing. Why we use what we doing? If there is no ear, we cannot hear it anything. So what we do? We use our ear for hearing. So ear are also our organs. Now look here, external organs. External organs that are on the outside of the body. Which are the outside of the body? Legs, arm, ear, and nose are our organs. They are on the outside of a body. They are on the, this is our on the outside of the body. Hence they are a external organ. It is called an external organ. So look here, can you tell how we will walk without bending your legs at the knees? Without bending our legs we cannot walk. Can you comb your hair without bending your arm and the elbow? You can do it and tell me, student. Now look here, movements of the body. Try to bend a wooden stick, and can you do so? Why not? Suppose that our legs and arms also could not bend. Would we able to make a movements? No. Some of the body parts can bend. That is why we are able to make movement. Means if you fall anything, we can, because there is a knee, so that we can bend it. So which part of the body can we bend? See here. Stand in front of the mirror and move your neck as shown in the picture. Move your leg up, down, right, left side. So the neck bends forward as well as backward. You can see a front and you can see a back side. म्हणजे पुढं पण बघू शकतात, पाठीमागं पण बघू शकतात तुम्ही. It turns left or right. It also bends left or right. Means if your neck is coming this side, it is a right side. Then it is a left side. Look up, look down. Then we can bend our arm at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. The fingers of our hand can bend too. The fingers, what we can do it, bend it. That is why we make a fist. We can do many things with our hands. We use our hand to write, to pick up the things. Mother shapes a laddu. लाडू करतात ना तुमची मम्मी हातात असं हे करून. Then with our hands, baby hold the rattle in her hands. When there is a small baby, म्हणजे कोणाचं लहान बाळ असलं की आपण हातात त्याच्या खेळणी खेळायला देतोय. ते काय करतात? पकडतात. He catch it. So the waist. We can bend our torso. We can bend our torso only at the waist. We can bend forward at the waist. That make it easier for us to do many things. We can pick up things from the floor, tie our shoelaces, and play games also. Legs. Leg पासून आपण काय करतो बघा. Our legs can bend the hip joint. Our legs can bend at the hip joint. This is your, I told you, this is your back side portion. This part is called hip joint. So our toes too can bend, but not as much as our finger. Finger कसं असं bend होऊ शकतात, तेवढं bend होऊ शकत नाही. We use our legs too for several purposes. We use our legs to stand. आपलं जर पाय नसलं असतं तर आपण उभं राहू शकलो असतो का? नाही. So we walk and run with we having a leg so that we can walk also, we can run also, we can stand also. We climb up down the stair. We climb up down the stairs. Then we hop and jump. We hop and jump. We walk some machines. We walk some machines to using our legs. आता कपडे शिवायचे मशीन असतात, आपण पायानं काय करतोय? बघितलं का कधी मम्मीनं कधी ब्लाउज कपडे शिवताना टेलर्सना? Then one tasks many matters. One day you decided not to open your mouth at all to speak. So you have to talk only by the sign and gestures. You are asked, shall I leave or wait? Your answer is wait. You ask, how is the curry? Your answer is delicious. You are told the cat's not feeling well. Your answer is what happened to it? What happened to it? जर कोणाच्या घरात कुत्रं मांजर असतं तर ते आजारी पडले तर आपल्याला बरं वाटते का? नाही. What we do? We can take them to the doctor. नाही तर काय त्याचं झालं म्हणून आपण आपल्याला काही जणांना पण जेवण जात नाही. You ask how the weather. Your answer is I am feeling very cold. I am feeling very cold. We use our mouth to speak. What we use? Mouth. Then when playing this game, which parts of your body do you use to make sign? Do you use to make sign? Then what's the solution? You want a box from a very high shelf where you cannot reach. Then to carry out any task, we can choose one form of a number of methods of doing it. So if you cannot use the usual method, we can get someone to help, or we can use some special device. Somebody may find it difficult to do something, and we should then offer all the possible help. So use your brain power. What was the little boy able to do because ताई picked him up? What is do? ताईनं काय केलं? त्याला पकडले आणि तो काय तरी ताईला दाखवायला. I am a unique. There are countless people in the world, but all of them have the same body parts. All of them have same body parts. Even so, no two persons are exactly alike. That is because each one has a different figure and form. There are differences in the height and weight, hairline and the feature of the face. म्हणजे काही जणांची उंच असते, काही जण एकदम शॉर्ट असतात. फेस पण वेगळा असतोय. सगळ्यांचा फेस सेम नसतात. Parts of the bodies are same, but figures they are different. आता मी अशी आहे तर माझ्यासारखे आणि कोण असतं तर काहीतरी डिफरन्स असणारच, चेंजेस. सो कोणाची उंची, कोणाचं हेअरलाईन, सम ऑफ देम हॅव्हिंग अ hair is short, some are having a long hair. So in the whole world only you look like yourself. Only in the whole world only you look like yourself. Do you know this? So do you know sometimes twin brothers or sisters look exactly alike? म्हणजे तो काही जणांचं जुळ्या बहिणी असतात, जुळे भाऊ असतात, ते दिसायला सेम असतात. बट इवन बिटवीन दॅम देर आर स्मॉल डिफरन्सेस. म्हणजे काय तरी डिफरंट चेंजेस असतात. एक हुशार असतो, एक जरा असं म्हणजे एक एकदम अति हुशार असतो, एक कमी असतो, काहीतरी त्याच्यात डिफरन्स असतातच. Then what we have learned, head, torso, legs and arm are the main parts of the body. Chest, abdomen and back together make up the torso. Chest and abdomen. This is our chest and abdomen back. What you make? It makes together torso. The head, legs and arms are joined to the torso. I told you the head, leg and your this arm. It is joined with this is all the parts of torso. The part of the body that join the head, torso is the part of the head and the torso where it is joined to the neck. The arm are joined to the torso at the shoulder and the legs at the hip points. Our body can bend at certain places that make it possible for us to make a different movements. Our body make various movements with the help of the neck, arm, leg and waist. So always remember our body helps us to do all our tasks. So we must take care of our body. We must take care of our body. So what is true? Our body helps us to do all our tasks. So read this lesson properly, student. Read this lesson 2 times. Learn this by heart words. And afterwards I am going to give you question answer. Write this question answer in your reliable notebook and do the revision of EVS. Always you have to do the revision of EVS, students, because it is a vast question. Always you have to study the EVS, which is you are having a difficult, means your EVS you have to study every day, not only one day. You have to learn all the question answer without looking. Write in your notebook, learn the question answer, all the things. So I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.